Harsngi la brom khaddo ya kamet basa yang Dr. Ricky eje Syngkon UMP ka Shillong constituency upsen ka VPP ba Ardent mila basemoy oyathu halo kumno ki poi jinga telang ha VP house name aja pra khaba udon ka jingthmo ban eno na ka san pathai hanrai ha ka jing kandu ya Dr. Ricky eje Syngkon wa ai men sem ya o umdai ban sange na ka san hima sima hanrai udai ban sha ya shakmat ban penkalado ya ka jela Ubadan no yatu bahaka parti Dr. Ricky eje Syngkon ubat kemujina sekretari berasan snem haji terang hak WP 4 Judan kasen bandon ke Jingiathut ke Jingiathut handai kalong baik ke jai ba ke jing borom markaliang ulang ma ke jing lai no jong Dr. Ricky eje Syngkon kanlong ke jing penkenmau ban yang hak nong dim baskem bat banang ban penjana susu ya ke jing ya lenti
Henry Ngim semua kata kalong lebih Dekat Allah hadir upadura bahasa bagai hal kapur ke klimat kabangan lepas bangkino ibariki lawan dari Indo yana bangga kenal suai kenali atau ini ya beliau hapo rinsa yang badan ini dan pamani somha galon bau bayi air sibor yang syakli berkau Banwan, bangai nasi ni lah kalau pun kata aku. Kalau nasi ni kalau bangan don nasi, kalau pun hat syabani. Reno ni, bangan kamlong lo insani, kamlong lo pinki yang kali kakam pinhat ban perkata. Tadi kapor, kalau don pring bejing kim, jong kajing kian juga jimat kecil. Bangalam, badai lagi berturi patnya. Nama pun kata kajing perkat non mesin. Kalau sultan ban syabri ya tadi pekerjaan dia nama nabi bukan tanah kelenci ublay basandu ya tadi pekerjaan dia assalamu alaikum over say nothing except the religion and the voice of the people party yang syabri wakau yang nongelam wakau over apply the credential have re India away but over pergi jinong over pergi balo Jingan was sorted, Rani Ram Baba, Jingan Baba Shana, Rani Jingli Shisham dan Tintin, Bagini Kran, Yehei Kabaja, Ray, or Kadon Jingan Priu, So Kumanon, Banuma Bujirishu, bringing it to the Jingu. Jingku pengobatan narta jangi kumka jangri yasi kalau ke jingku ya ke jangri pangilni balesting hamu be usai di brio bashami brio ibane ke jingki pangilni rasu saran su di parwa namala kawan ke jingka atau kumben pangan Sim, onde vai lá que vão andar de jogo para que cobrir. Mas não foi ele que vem sim. Reirão, irão tudo é que não iam. Shisha is no fogo e paia o crowd, o bacalho, o clamo na frente. Batom ke parti, abangi ifrei, dari sumpu, nongrim bersah, kata nongrim play ke bagi Yang nama mereka larang pun nama yang orang rakyat tersusah cakap. Baru orang mereka pun batu kapati ini jalan yang jangan slogan conference meeting. Harga itu bon mereka orang berifat kira pun power kira bantu orang pagi yang siang subuh orang muncul. Patung kapati, shibru ke rai, I conference message, sha, iwendi, pagi aro, iwendi lechere, bacan berikut. Bagi shibru ke jibut, bagat semua, warna yang jiran, hari ini jelas kanempatkan. Jiran no, kerja doktor ini syakmat, kalau kesimpan demai beringin, nongin teruskan. Bangun pencerahan siswa yang berjaya jentik. Dalam malam, tulai syukur. Yung blame của ai đi, yêu yêu chất yêu một khảo. Bao nhiêu đi, và ông dân cái ấy thì, thằng ông blame của mặt vấn đề, yang kita cầm di bawah. Lalu blame của mặt, ban kintil, yung nung brio, ông dân nung nung laban kan, lấy cái thâu đi qua, tham sua, ông dân cái chính phủ ban kintil. Yang mensyukur kau semua bakal bikin Syngkon. Mereka kalau penuh melihat itu. Boleh bertahan voice of the people party. Banjak UMP na Shillong parliamentary constituency. Kami kesepakatan. Kalau minang juga yo, ontang nak jatuh sih. Hindi giwin yung chatting bakit ito baro kinuha ito ang jingkay kami ito kung ukapon na naman ang iso ng anyong ibay ang pungaling ako pag-imday mas ito yung siya o anong ibig-imday mas susi nga penuh pa anong ito nga kensak pa anong ito udang general secretary at i-jefay rin katang ng president para kecil turun kita. Sansnan yang itu yang mana? Kampatan tu wing mesin kemudian turun ada kecil keren tu. Dan kecil lagi orang yang sanjung yang kapat kecil. Ungan longing. Kapan tu lusa kapan bahaya yang jatuh. Bagi yang train tu kecil orang siapa? Dan kecil burung margriam. Mereka pupung kata kapur kemudian sudra. Tidak kesan udah Shimo na prenjoni. Or karamo lagi isi abang ikan ikat tu tadi tu kebetulan makna orang lelaki boleh manusia kat abang lalu boleh apa boleh le ni hapan syariat how boleh buai body kita kena di body terkaya teman-teman semua yang ni condolence message kabangi ko ay nakalian ng party. To Dr. Wendy Nissia Fabian and family, Pope sexual condolence message. It is with profound sorrow and deep grief that the voice of the People Party mourns the sudden and untimely demise of our beloved leader, Dr. Syngkon, Member of Parliament from the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, founding General Secretary of our party, and a guiding light for so many across Meghalaya and beyond. Riki was a man of vision, integrity, lovable, and a humble servant of the people. Elected with the trust of the people in 2024, he performed his duties with unwavering dedication, compassion, and a rare sense of purpose. His leadership was marked by courage, empathy, and unshakable belief that politics must always be anchored in service and love for the community. As a devout Christian, Dr. Ricky carried his faith not merely as a personal conviction, but as a source of strength and moral clarity in his public life. He often said that being a Christian in politics is a challenge that he accepted with conviction and humility. Through his words and actions, he reminded us that faith and public service can work hand in hand, uplifting, healing, and uniting. His life's work was a testament to his belief that leadership is not about power, but about sacrifice, compassion, and stewardship for the welfare of all. He inspired many within our party, across political divides, and among the countless citizens whose lives he touched. He was loved, respected, and admired not for the titles he held, but for the sincerity of his heart and the courage of his conviction. His sudden departure has left a painful void in our hearts, in our party, and in the state as a whole. In this moment of profound loss, we extend our deepest condolences to his bereaved family, whose pain we share. We pray that God, in His infinite mercy, grants them strength, comfort, and peace.